The most damning and dangerous aspect of it all, there are so many people this year. So on the interior minister, deputy defense minister, Kasa.
Okay, Mamenkwa Umasona menya des clarification. Haya kuma 87.9 FM, just a minute to hit 8 o'clock. Benin the Adrianaba Kofi Asantini, yes, you do a man for swa near Kayanum. The Ghana's deputy defense minister, on why a member of parliament, Edema Atuma Kwanguma, and the constituency in Ashanti region. Kofi Amankwah Manu, Esquire. Senior, good evening.
Good evening, Lillian. Let me say,
Nyamiadom.
Good.
Bepacho, Ediana Ekoswa Ashaiman. I mean, Ghana, we are worried and concerned. As a defense minister, what can you tell us? Deputy defense minister.
The mechanism, a Ghana media, and your worried. A Ghana media, and your worried. Seven, protocol, and so when you do the crime, you do the crime. Seven. So the new seven. Or the uniform. The emphasis on the word uniform. Now, a binom, a coach, I will want a second. A colonel, a free at yes for area. Sabi, Sadly, a year, a yard dorsal. Said the slightest thing is your Kusujini, saying, I kind, you're Metro Mahama. Said the young couple can find a cry here. The kind of Roma is here. Said the other Busan was a day, and your bonnie so be beginner come or some in my after the Wusher soldier uniform. Just say, just like that. Anyway, I cannot be here say, said the Asaf one also, a bit one among. Not all more only these are a castle. Said it, yeah, almost should be na also. It's a non idea.
The way a sanctioned operation Ankasa.
Yet sanctioned by the military hierarchy, and it is a well coordinated operation being undertaken at Ashaiman.
Wow. Mahun the video of the serious brutalities that individuals ya bru binom or madam paso wintimin sorry or mudgun sumina. This is how tactically they were to approach the operation.
Minya, say oh kase brutality meted out some individuals. That for me, excesses I will never be on the side of excesses. But Sebi operations being so to say, Sebi, they get carried away. And they indulge in excesses. Sebi, maybe kind of patrol says excesses, no. Any decent resident of Ashaiman, especially areas that operation costly, if the person was caught up in the excesses, we apologize. But we are not going to apologize for the operations. Oh, say, yeah, can say, if you know what paper, they get to it is not the best. Be so afraid, or you'll be near, or you'll be back. The bonny Hawaiian is also so that yes, or Bessom, the bonny Hawaiian. We cannot continue to do this. William Kofi, say, you must have the Koswa, a bedroom baby, no, say, Wopa, and walk the power of Papa, say, Obeshi uniform, as some Omania, and I'm the Ekosi, Obekasa Omania, because some person over. Sabi Oba,